So guys, I am back on U.S. soil, Chicago to be exact. And now I have to go to another terminal, Terminal 2. We arrived at the international terminal, which is 1. Now I have to take, I guess, a train to 2 for my plane to Jacksonville. I have about almost 3 hours, so which is good. So, and it was easy going through customs. Very easy, really. It was like 5 minutes. Pretty wild. So I'm here on the plane, guys, and we were gonna actually take off, and then they said there's something with some maintenance issue. Now we're taxiing back to the gate. There's always happening something in Chicago. That's why I don't like flying into Chicago. But I got no choice. I mean, this is it. So let's hope this is not going to be something serious. I'll talk to you when I find out what's going on. So yeah, we're back at the gate now. Now they have the maintenance, I guess, check out some water generator or whatever. So indefinitely, if we're taking off, or when are we taking off? Well, thank God I don't have to work tomorrow. That's one good thing, guys, but other than that, it's always something in Chicago. Well, friends, we're still waiting. It's been almost an hour now, and we're still waiting. Sitting here. Got a bunch of maintenance buzzing around here, up and down the aisle. So, some kind of a breaker issue. That's what the pilot said.
You're going to pull into gate E5. Make sure you grab everything, double check, because this plane is out of service.
Great. Plane out of service. Oh, Chicago, I love you. This is the 3rd time I have problems with cancellations with planes.
So now we're going to go.
So we do have to change the plane. This plane is out of service, which I kind of suspected that. So we have to go to another plane. The joy of flying, guys. Well, luckily the new gate is not too far, just a few steps. That's one thing now. I guess waiting till 5:30. That's what it says. Yeah. One thing here at this airport is if you want to charge your phones, you see all these chargers, about 90% of them don't work. So just be aware of that. I found one down here. At least they gave us a $15 voucher for the plane change. So I'm not hungry, I got 2 Cokes. Looks like a new plane is finally arriving. So we're finally back on our new plane. It is 5:30. So overall, it was a 3.5 hour delay, approximately. So, yeah. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you.
You have to. You wear it up there, you pack up there.
Alright, finally back in Jacksonville after 3.5 hour delay. But you know, it happens. So now I have to get myself an Uber, and that's gonna take me about half an hour or so. Well, the ride. I hope I don't have to wait for too long. But so this concludes my Europe trip. Thank you all guys for coming along on the journey. It was an interesting one, somehow emotional, and you know, but I'm looking forward to going there again. So, thanks guys. Take care. Have a good night.